Alright, so today I will be opening up the G.I. Joe Classified Series, General Clayton Hawk Abernathy. He's number 103. And again, none of these unboxing videos are in any type of order. I'm just picking them randomly out of my bookshelf right there, because I definitely want to clear that up so that way I can start posing up my figures on my bookshelf. Speaking of bookshelf, this is what I forgot to do. I need to turn on those lights. Boom. How they look. I don't know whether to keep it, the white color or red. What do you think? Red. Do red today. Let's go with red. Alright, so let's get back to General Hawk here. Again, as I was saying, he's number 103, and here is the outside of the packaging. He is 6.3 inches in height. He's got all these accessories right here, which I'll be opening here shortly. And the crazy thing is, I'm not sure if I have 2 or 3 of the General Hawks. Because for one, if you're a collector, I'm sure you can relate. When you're at the store and you see the item and then you ask yourself, did I already buy this item? And then you're not sure, so you end up buying it anyways. And once you guys get home, you end up figuring out, okay, I did buy the item. So you end up having 2 or 3 of the same figure. Alright, so here is General Hawk. I'm going to put the box right up there. Comes in the accessory box here, number 103. It's got his name. This is pretty cool. I might actually keep this. Normally, I would throw these away and just be done with it, but this actually looks pretty cool. Got his name on there, so we'll put that aside. So here is General Hawk. I've been watching a lot of the G.I. Joe cartoons lately, so General Hawk's been in there quite a few times with the episodes, so I figured maybe it'd be the best time to get him out of the package. There's his artwork. That looks pretty cool. Speaking of artwork, what I've been doing with the old packaging, with the old boxes, what I would be doing is cutting these out. Cutting the sides out. And then I'm going to put them in the collage, Mod Podge it or put them in the frame. So that way I'll have this artwork. So that's the plan. Alright, let's take a look at General Hawk. I like the bomber jacket. That's pretty cool. He's got his holster right here. His gray hair highlights, which is cool. Shows him his wisdom, his age, his arms. He's got the butterfly shoulders somewhat. Kind of feels weird. Can you do a T-pose? Oh crap, I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. Hopefully I can pop it back in. Okay. But trying to get him to do a T-pose, but it's not really working out without popping the arm out. So it's a little difficult trying to get him to do the T-pose. That's as far as I can get him without really stressing out the arms. Maybe that's why I had to buy 2 or 3 of these things, because he's one of a cool figure I've been waiting on, and I definitely don't want to break them already. Man, that sucks. Yeah, that's as far as I can get it without any type of worry about breaking his arm. Okay, his elbows. Okay, he's got his biceps swivel here. Okay. Wrist. We'll see if he's got extra hands, which I'm not sure if he does or not. If he's got a fist. I guess majority of these guys won't have the fist, you know, not like Marvel Legends type figures. Okay, he's got his thigh swivel. It's a little tight. Knee pads. Again, it's a bit stiff. Wow, that's my washer just going off in the background. Wow, that is really stiff. I might have to like put him in warm water or something. Alright, let's move on, because he is definitely giving me quite a bit of a hard time. Okay, his boot swivels. Okay, cool. Ankles. Ankles, they move pretty easy. Pretty smooth. I really like the bomber jacket. It's pretty cool. Alright, well, that's General Hawk. Let's see his accessories, what he comes with. So Hawk, you stay right there. Don't move and don't fall. Alright, let's see what he comes with. Keeping this box. Again, as much as I don't like these boxes here, I do like the fact that they come in, the weapons come in this, because in these little plastic things that they come in now, I hate those things. Alright, so this is what he comes with. Make sure there's nothing here left. Comes with a shotgun. Okay. Another shotgun, I'm assuming, but with the harness or strap right there. Again, I love helmets. Helmets are so cool. He's got his 1-star, General 1-star right there. He's got his goggles. He's got another pair of goggles. Why would he need 2 pairs of goggles? Huh. That is weird. Why would he need 2 pairs of goggles? I understand he can put it on his helmets, but why would he need 2 pairs of goggles? It'd be weird if he was wearing one goggles and then another goggle on his helmet. It doesn't make sense. But it looks pretty cool though. And then he comes with 2 pistols. Here are his pistols right there. Again, I'm just assuming this goes here since the holster is a bit longer. And I'm just gonna slide that in there. If it goes in there. What the heck, bro? There we go. I'm just worried about his arms. That's just crazy how easily that just popped out. And his legs, his knee joint is still not budging. But other than that, that is pretty much it with General Hawk. Again, I like the leather jacket, the bomber jacket. I'm just concerned about his arms. It's pretty loose. US flag right there. He's got his helmet, his goggles. Pretty cool dude. And then Doc right next to him. It's my latest figure, Doc and Jinx. Alright, so if you're at the end of this video, hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing of General Hawk, General Clayton Hawk Abernathy, and alongside with Doc right there in my his tank. And make sure you guys comment down below, like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. The goal is to get 2,024 subs by the end of this year. Yo Joe.